Which one?
Last one, R22.
Okay.
Yeah, last one.
This one will be, this has to be cos.
Sine.
Only
Sine,
yeah.
sine, cos,
Give me 1
cos.
second. So this will be cos theta.
It must be cos side.
Sine, sine,
This
cos,
should be.
cos. No, sine.
Give me 1 second. This has to be different. So that means, let me check this part. Negative sine theta, cos theta, sine phi, cos theta, cos phi. Okay, so this will be equal to minus, because cos theta, this is 1, right? So you'll be less with sine phi.
And the second term, cos and sine or cos and cos?
Cos and sine or cos and cos. It should be cos and cos. Cos and cos. I'm sorry, guys. This is okay. So this can assume infinite values such that the sum is constant. Okay. So long as this is a constant value, please understand that it can assume there is no definite solution when it comes to this case. The only definite solution is for theta. Theta will be equal to 0 from here. Theta is equal to 0 because cos theta is 1. And the other solution is phi plus psi is equal to a tan 2 R11 R12. Okay. That will be the only solution. And this will have, these two you will have. Infinite solution. Okay, that you won't have a definite solution, you'll have infinite set of solutions because of this. Now, the other alternative here, we assumed in this case that r theta, cos theta is 1. So you can do the other case where cos theta is equal to minus 1. In this case, theta is pi, right? Theta is pi, and sine theta is again 0. Okay. So we did plus 1 because r3 by 3 is plus or minus 1. In this case, we'll assume cos theta is minus 1. So in this case, you'll just substitute cos theta as minus 1. So rz by z will be equal to, let's me not mess up this time, this will be minus which one?
Sine.
This one? This will be my negative 1, right? Okay, cos theta is negative 1. So this one is negative. So this would be equal to, you'll have negative cos theta minus psi. Okay, negative cos theta minus psi. This will be negative. So here we'll have cos theta, so this will be minus minus psi. This is cos theta, sin theta, so this will be equal to sine of, here you'll have sine minus psi, and this will be equal to So you can write out the angles once again here. You can take these two if you want. So this will be R12 and R. So theta minus psi will be A tan 2 R22 R12. Okay. Again, this is again infinite solutions because you can come up with this difference anyway. So for example, theta minus psi is 10 degrees. Let's say for example, so I can come up with 40 minus 30, or I can come up with 30 minus 20, and so on, 10 minus 0. There can be infinite values for this. The only thing that is fixed is theta is pi degrees. Okay? So the same thing, you can exactly do the same thing to take the inverse in the case of RPY, and we'll finish. We'll try to go over that when we do the inverse rotations in MATLAB, so that it's much easier. But this is just to explain how you come up with the angles. So if I give you a matrix, you should be able to come up with the three angles, phi, theta, and psi, based on what type of construction it is. Either it's a fixed angle, sequential rotations, or a current angle rotations. We did a current angle case. I'll give you the RPY as an assignment for the yaw, pitch, and roll. Try it out. Exactly the same thing. In that case, these values will be here. Okay. This is like this. In that case, they'll be on top like this. So you'll have to assume R11, R12, R1, R31. Okay. All right. Let me stop here. On your way out, please pick up your